Milk powder is a household essential used in everything from coffee and tea to baby formula and baking. But have you ever wondered how liquid milk is transformed into a fine, shelf-stable powder? Today we're taking you inside a modern milk powder processing plant to explore the fascinating journey from fresh milk to powdered perfection. Milk powder is widely used for its long shelf life, easy storage, and versatility. It retains most of the nutrients found in fresh milk, making it a crucial ingredient in food production, pharmaceuticals, and emergency food supplies. But how does it maintain its goodness while losing its liquid form? Let's begin at the source: dairy farms. Everything starts with fresh, high-quality milk from dairy farms. Farmers follow strict hygiene and quality standards to ensure the milk remains fresh. After milking, it is rapidly cooled to about 4 degrees Celsius, or 39 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent bacterial growth. The cooled milk is then transported in specialized refrigerated tankers to the processing plant. Upon arrival, the milk undergoes rigorous quality testing to check for purity, freshness, and nutrient content before it moves on to the next stage. Before being turned into powder, the milk must first be pasteurized. This process involves heating the milk to around 72 degrees Celsius, or 161 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 to 20 seconds, effectively killing harmful bacteria while preserving its natural nutrients and taste. Once pasteurized, the milk is cooled down again, ready for the next step: standardization. Milk contains different levels of fat, proteins, and other nutrients. Depending on the final product, whether it's whole milk powder, skim milk powder, or infant formula, the fat content is carefully adjusted. This step ensures consistency across batches and meets specific product requirements. Now it's time to reduce the milk's water content. Through a process called evaporation, the milk is heated under low pressure, allowing 60% of the water to be removed without damaging its nutritional value. This step not only prepares the milk for drying but also extends its shelf life by reducing microbial activity. This is where the real magic happens. The concentrated milk is now turned into powder using a technique called spray drying. The milk concentrate is sprayed as tiny droplets into a chamber filled with hot air at around 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, or 302 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. As the droplets fall, the water rapidly evaporates, leaving behind dry milk particles. This process preserves essential nutrients while creating a shelf-stable product that can last for months or even years. To ensure a smooth, uniform texture, the milk powder is sieved to remove any clumps. Some milk powders also undergo instantization, where tiny amounts of moisture are added back to improve solubility, making it easier to dissolve in water. Once dried and refined, the milk powder is carefully packaged in airtight, moisture-resistant containers to protect it from humidity and contamination. Now, it's ready to be shipped to stores, bakeries, and food manufacturers worldwide. Before reaching consumers, every batch of milk powder undergoes final testing to ensure it meets safety and nutritional standards. Only after passing these rigorous checks is it approved for sale. And that's the incredible journey of how fresh milk is transformed into powder using advanced food processing technology. From dairy farms to your kitchen, milk powder continues to be a vital ingredient in countless recipes and products. If you enjoyed learning about this process, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights into food production and technology. See you in the next video. Before the milk powder reaches consumers, it undergoes one final round of strict quality control tests. This includes checking for microbial safety, moisture content, protein and fat composition, heavy metal contaminants, and solubility and texture. Each batch must meet international food safety standards before approval. Some facilities even use X-ray and metal detectors to ensure there are no foreign particles in the final product. Only after passing all these tests does the milk powder move to the next stage: distribution. Once packaged, the milk powder is ready for global distribution. Factories ship it to supermarkets and grocery stores, large-scale food manufacturers, hospitals and pharmaceutical industries, and even emergency food aid programs. Different packaging sizes are used depending on the customer. Small sachets for home use, large industrial bags for food production, and sealed tins for baby formula. Thanks to advanced logistics and temperature-controlled storage, milk powder can travel thousands of miles while staying fresh and safe. And now, we arrive at the final step, the moment you use milk powder in your daily life. baking cakes, cookies, and pastries, beverages, coffee, tea, smoothies, and protein shakes, infant formula, a critical source of nutrition for babies, cooking soups, sauces, and dairy-based dishes. The best part? Just add water, and it turns back into fresh milk, anytime, anywhere. This makes it an essential product for people living in remote areas, travelers, and those looking for long-term food storage. And that concludes the incredible journey of how milk powder is made, from farm to factory to your table. If you found this process fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more behind-the-scenes food industry videos. Milk powder production isn't just about efficiency, it's also about sustainability. The dairy industry is adopting eco-friendly practices to reduce its environmental impact. Water recycling. Factories reuse evaporated water from milk for cleaning and processing. Energy efficiency. Many plants use solar and wind power to cut down on fossil fuel consumption. Eco-friendly packaging. Biodegradable and recyclable materials are replacing plastic to reduce waste. With growing awareness of climate change, sustainable dairy farming and milk powder production are becoming top priorities. Advancements in food science and technology are constantly improving the quality and efficiency of milk powder production. These innovations not only make milk powder healthier and more accessible but also improve production efficiency and sustainability. What does the future hold for milk powder in the dairy industry? Lab-grown dairy scientists are developing dairy proteins without cows, reducing environmental impact. Plant-based alternatives, oat, soy, and almond-based milk powders are gaining popularity. Smart supply chains, AI-driven logistics are making dairy distribution faster and more sustainable. As consumer preferences evolve, milk powder will continue to innovate, whether through traditional dairy methods or plant-based and lab-grown solutions. And that completes the incredible journey of milk powder, from farm to factory to your table and into the future. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes food industry content. Comment below. What's your favorite way to use milk powder?